How to add GIF as WhatsApp profile picture. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a GIF as your profile picture on WhatsApp. You can add GIF as a profile picture on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app. Once in the WhatsApp app, tap on the gear icon to access Settings. In the Settings, tap on your profile picture. It will open another menu of options. Then tap it again to open your current profile photo. Select the Edit option. Then tap on Choose Photo. Now the gallery will be shown on the screen. To choose Photo, browse through your photo gallery and select the GIF you want to set as your profile picture. Preview the GIF and check how does the GIF looks as a profile picture on WhatsApp. If it is perfect, then tap Choose. And that's it. Your GIF is now set as your WhatsApp profile picture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. That's all for the video.